My name is Luz Grace. I am representing with a patient who have anorexia. So I just want to read the anorexia. So the anorexia patient, anorexia is an eating disorder that causes people to weigh less than is considered healthy for their age and height, usually by excessive loss. People with this disorder may have an intense fear of weight gain. Even when they are underweight, they may diet or exercise too much or use other ways to lose weight. Anorexia begins during the preteen or teen years or young adulthood. It is more common in female, but may also be seen in males. The symptoms that have anorexia is a person with usually has an intense fear of gaining weight, becoming fat, even they are underweight. Refuses to keep their weight at what is considered normal for their age and height. 15% or more below the normal weight. Has a body image that is very distorted, is very focused on body weight or shape, and refuse to admit the danger of weight loss. So now I prepare the food for have anorexia. This one is the avocado turkey protein pot. So I have the smoked salmon, I have the turkey, I have the cheese, the white cheese, the cucumber, the avocado, the salsa, so that because they are picky also, so that they can like to eat. Then I have the egg and the green beans and the spinach, then the lemon, so that they can have the taste on that. So this one I prepare, and water.
Okay, anorexic patients. What is anorexia again?
They are
No, Mia. What is anorexia? So they feel like they're so fat, but in fact, they're already very, very thin. So what do? They have this intense fear of getting fat. So what do? They exercise too much. They do not eat. They take or eat a lot of laxatives, yung pampapupo or to get slim. And so it's a mental and an eating disorder. Usually it happens during teenage years. Now let's talk about her food. If you're a teenager having anorexia, do you like the food?
teenage, yes.
So what can you improve on if you're taking care of a teenager who's anorexic? Obviously you don't like the food. I don't want to eat that. I will get fat.
So we will try to give some. Maybe they will like the ice cream that for the anorexia patients.
Ice cream?
Yes, sorry.
So let us digest this. Presentation wise, she can improve a lot. Maybe she can put the fruits on another bowl, and then maybe she can do the clock face technique, like you put it in a, like not like this, like buffet. And then I like this because you have proteins. You have salmon, which is rich in omega-3 also. You have the turkey, which is processed, but sana yung hindi processed ba. So you have protein, source of protein. You also have good source of vitamins and minerals. And then you have
The green cheese.
egg is protein also, di ba? They don't have muscles. You have to grow their muscles by eating a lot of proteins in a small pieces so that she will not get over. Oh, there's so many food. I don't want a lot of food. So you kind of trick her by giving bits and pieces, small pieces, small portions, right? With a very nutritious option. Thank you so much.